Your YouTube subscriptions might be hidden and you don't even know it. Can't see someone else's? Yours could be the same. And there's a setting that almost everyone overlooks. So if your YouTube channel has subscribers and you can't see any of them, the main reason is because they chose to keep their subscriptions private. In today's video, I'll show you how to make them, which is your subscriptions, public instantly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. There's a mobile app limitation on this, so you can only do it on a web browser, either using your computer or mobile app web browser. Open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Click on the profile picture on the top right and go to settings on the left column. Click on privacy. Toggle the option off for keep my subscriptions private. Now your subscription will be public. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.